amle yira ubiara amle yira ubiara ayubia ma support me ono be tumfula nda bi ase me say this era ka all era mo enguna halani aka me say all era mo enguna halani a mpa o chele ka el youth ne kura ka do anka semu an ebobra live good legacy a mpa o chele we care was you live ye was systematic word menile shemela awuruli meni baniyo atu amboy sabio awie tage honorable Imana Makofubua emame action man awie tage evemame me say nia el youth forget the politicians forget the leaders but me elu no hale obi amomle kan we are not perfect but at least try to be honest for just even a single day so na kanohale kronkon a nyevre ondundu ongongongongo onzi bani atu ambo canteen kg atu ambo canteen kg ngakura o e kan betumbare la e maleke na sesi enwune yele kan anyele threat medame na sabio kronkon ba wo me a kronkon ye mba ho a aka chimuke mokwa mesaso menimo betelam menimo ba ye mota betelam mo start mo le ma ye mu betemu hwela baba more than that. Let's hear Sane. You people are our leaders. Bedabe ye beli leaders ya. Let's bedabe be yenje shele pale. Civilization ole rise. Game ni benion canteen school canteen. Na beni yen nwanzo. Ahin kuro. Honorable Imana Makofubua. Ghana Gas. Ben grab and command Ghana Gas. Anoki ene leaders so. Ben grab Ghana Gas ma. Ben shebe keteke. E brewo di hoons meke. Yen yazma e basara. E finance. Na beva manu mo sabio be de sense mama ba go school ya go school a. Beva e dam ya go school a. Ni ye pakon a. Bobo na be me bi e dari eri. Iye dwoke. Ben ye ben gama he. No kwake be say your coat of arm nearly freedom and justice. You nya freedom ne but ye tania justice no be fema. So bada ban you. Honorable Adon boy honorable. Say what Adon boy le sha Adon boy me. Let's see. Your companies bele come by Ghana baba ba mu be lizwani. Because of care. Banyanje shall yakpale. Namreka na haleka threat me. Mreka na haleka threat me. Ye teye ready came bejek mlayela. Because na halenio I stand for the truth. Let him mwena yema and nothing can change me. All we are asking from you leaders, just free acts. Just be honest for yourself and even for us. No yala polenzima yala finger kura mo le fe. Kura mo le fe. Benye enemy but mobile yala enough is enough. Be start be planning. Be nya adwon pala be me yedi nga kura mo. Be mu an be feli o me kan de bia me kra be. But that be current leaders mo be mu an be feli. Na halene yeka. I am not preaching violence. Yekayoma democracy ni okozwa. Kebima mkembi as a good citizen as Semenika Kura.